Oh my gosh, look at all of them over there.
Weather bulletin. For the following county, Columbiana, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Harrison County in East Central Ohio, Jefferson County in East Central Ohio, Columbiana County of East Central Ohio, Eastern Guernsey County in East Central Ohio, Northern Monroe County in East Central Ohio, Carroll County of East Central Ohio, Belmont County in East Central Ohio, East Central Tuscarora County in East Central Ohio, Northeastern Noble County of East Central Ohio, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:40 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Minerva to 8 miles southeast of Hesville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Steubenville, Salem, Columbiana, St. Clairsville, Bel Air, Barnesville, Wellsville, Cadiz, Carrollton, Woodsfield, Freeport, Wintersville. This includes Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 191 and 225. These storms have a history of producing damaging wind gusts. Move indoors immediately and stay away from windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. At 1 p.m., Pitt Internet.
It's raining right now.